Moto Focus opens a deep dive into the 2026 Kawasaki KLR 650 by recognizing a machine that refuses to surrender its reputation for indestructible adventure. The newest iteration doesn't try to reinvent itself with fragile complexity or unnecessary technology. Instead, it doubles down on the KLR philosophy of rugged capability, mechanical reliability, and global wanderer spirit. The 2026 model channels the same durable energy that made previous generations icons, yet it evolves in ways that subtly but meaningfully reshape its long-distance performance, comfort, and readiness for terrain far beyond the pavement. This script explores the design philosophy, engineering improvements, off-road versatility, touring practicality, and the unmistakable identity that positions the 2026 KLR 650 as a modern survivalist tool meant for riders who crave unfiltered exploration. Design philosophy purpose. First, aesthetic second. The design of the 2026 Kawasaki KLR 650 continues to reject trends that prioritize style over purpose. Every contour, panel, and structural element exists for a reason grounded in adventure function. The updated bodywork maintains the rugged profile familiar to longtime fans, yet a more streamlined aerodynamic shape reduces wind buffeting and improves highway stability. Revised tank shrouds guide airflow more efficiently toward the radiator, aiding cooling during slow, technical off-road climbs. The bike's stance embodies a utilitarian ethos. It doesn't chase aggressive sports styling or polished luxury aesthetics. Instead, Kawasaki refines the silhouette to emphasize durability, storage compatibility, and rider ergonomics that remain comfortable during hours of continuous riding. The 2026 model solidifies the KLR's reputation as a machine built to look tough because it truly is tough. Engine and performance-proven power made smarter. So, the heart of the 2026 KLR 650 remains a reliable 652cc single-cylinder engine, engineered to perform in harsh conditions where complexity becomes a liability. Kawasaki updates internal balancing, reducing vibration for smoother long-distance operation without compromising the thumping character riders expect. Fuel injection mapping has been refined to deliver a broader torque curve, making climbs easier, overtakes more confident, and off-road management more predictable. While peak horsepower remains intentionally modest, the emphasis on linear power delivery creates a riding experience rooted in control rather than aggression. A reworked cooling system keeps temperatures more stable under heavy load, improving durability during desert heat, mountain ascents, and low-speed navigation through fully loaded touring scenarios. The result is an engine that retains classic reliability while showcasing improved refinement, consistency, and fuel efficiency essential for modern global travel. Chassis and handling built to withstand the planet. The 2026 Kawasaki KLR 650 features a reinforced frame designed to handle the added stress of luggage, fuel, accessories, and demanding surfaces. Kawasaki enhances structural rigidity around the headstock and subframe, improving stability at high speeds and resilience during harsh off-road impacts. The long-travel suspension retains its adventure-tuned identity, with an updated rear shock offering better damping and heat resistance for long, punishing routes. Front fork adjustments provide improved compliance over corrugation, ruts, and loose stone terrain. The bike's weight distribution also benefits from subtle component repositioning, giving riders better balance in sandy environments and rocky inclines. Handling remains predictable, controlled, and confidence-building, supporting riders who navigate both remote wilderness and long highway stretches with equal determination. Off-road capability, a machine that thrives beyond pavement. Off-road performance has always been at the core of the KLR identity, and the 2026 model enhances that experience with improved traction management, stronger wheel construction, and increased ground clearance. Kawasaki implements a more resilient spoke wheel design, engineered to endure extended pounding from rough trails. The dual sport tires included with the factory setup offer improved bite on dusty, muddy, and gravel surfaces, while retaining good manners on pavement. The bike's low-end torque supports steep inclines, slow-speed maneuvers, and technical climbing without constant clutch modulation. Skid plate redesign ensures better protection for the engine and lower frame areas, shielding vital components from strikes during aggressive adventure riding. The 2026 KLR 650 remains faithful to the simple, dependable nature of its predecessors, while being more composed, forgiving, and trail-capable than prior generations. Touring comfort, long roads made easier. The 2026 Kawasaki KLR 650 continues its tradition as a travel companion built for extreme mileage. The ergonomics undergo a major refinement, with a reshaped seat that balances firm support with long ride comfort, keeping fatigue at bay during multi-day journeys. Handlebar geometry now promotes a more natural arm angle, reducing stress during prolonged highway speeds. The upgraded windscreen, taller and wider than before, deflects airflow more effectively and reduces turbulence at the helmet level. Kawasaki improves saddlebag mounting points, making it easier to secure luggage systems for cross-continental travel. The fuel tank capacity remains generous, offering extended range between fill-ups, a critical factor for remote exploration, where fuel stations may be non-existent. The 2026 KLR 650 feels like a machine built for riders who thrive on the infinite horizon, supporting extended adventures with comfort and consistency. Technology and practical features. Rugged meets modern. While preserving simplicity, the 2026 model integrates technology that enhances utility without compromising reliability. A modern digital instrument cluster offers sharper visibility and expanded information, including trip analytics, fuel economy data, and altitude indicators for adventure riders navigating varied landscapes. USB-C and 12V charging ports come standard, enabling GPS devices, cameras, and other essential travel electronics. LED lighting upgrades boost nighttime visibility, reducing energy draw while improving reliability over long journeys. Traction and ABS systems remain intentionally minimal and adventure-centric, avoiding intrusive intervention yet providing safety on slick road conditions. These features strike a balance between technological support and rugged practicality, ensuring the bike remains true to its roots while satisfying contemporary riders. Durability and maintenance built for the long haul. Durability defines every structural and mechanical concept behind the 2026 Kawasaki KLR 650. Chain guides, sprockets, and bearings use upgraded materials engineered to endure environmental abuse. Weather seals, electrical connectors, and fasteners are reinforced for resistance against moisture, dust, and temperature extremes. Maintenance intervals remain long and accessible, maintaining the KLR reputation as an adventure machine that can be repaired anywhere with basic tools. Kawasaki ensures that owners can travel remote regions with confidence, knowing the bike demands less specialized care and fewer expensive consumables. The 2026 KLR is not just a vehicle, it is a survival platform designed to withstand thousands of kilometers across continents, with nothing more than periodic checks and simple upkeep. Conclusion: the KLR spirit continues. The 2026 Kawasaki KLR 650 emerges as a machine faithful to its lineage while embracing subtle, practical improvements that elevate its adventure purpose. It remains the motorcycle for explorers who value resilience over sophistication, simplicity over gimmicks, and capability over flair. The combination of refined ergonomics, improved engine smoothness, stronger chassis components, expanded travel range, and updated functional technology makes it a versatile and trustworthy partner on any journey. Moto Focus presents this deep examination of a motorcycle that continues to stand in a category of its own. A machine that empowers riders not just to travel, but to truly roam, cross borders, chase horizons, and experience freedom in its purest form.